How to change the email address on your Facebook account using the latest version of the Facebook app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Then scroll down, tap Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. Next, tap Account Center, then choose Personal Details. After that, tap Contact Info. Here, you'll see the email address currently linked to your Facebook account. To add a new email address, tap Add New Contact, then select Add Email Address. Enter your new email, tap Next, and follow the on-screen instructions. Facebook will send a verification code to your new email address. Open your inbox, copy the code, and enter it in the Facebook app to verify your email. Once your new email has been verified, you can return to Contact Info, select your old email address, and tap Delete or Remove if you no longer want to use it. If prompted, confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook email address. Keeping your contact information up to date helps improve your account security and makes it easier to recover your account if needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Facebook tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.